Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I am going to answer one of the Selenium interview questions. That is, what is readme.md file in GitHub repositories? Let me answer this question with practical demonstration. So when you create GitHub repository, okay, there's an option to add the readme.md file. So what does this readme.md file generally contain and what is the purpose of adding this file to the GitHub repositories? So readme.md file is a document which provides information about the project. Okay. So if there is a project in GitHub repository and if you want to find what exactly the project about, if you want to find all the information, high level information about the project, like a detailed description and documentation, some links and whatever the things that you are doing the project, if you want to know some information about the project, you can find them in the readme.md file. So let me practically show you this. For that, I'll open the browser and take you to this github.com website. And here, just if you have not logged in, you just log in. Okay. If you are already logged in, you just click on this profile icon and select your repositories. Then you'll get the list of repositories and click on new to create a new repository. I'll simply say sample repo, just giving some random name. And here I'm creating this GitHub repository by adding this readme.md file. Okay. In this readme.md file, you can add the information related to your project. Okay. So without this also you can create the repository. But if you add this readme.md file, in that readme.md file, you can document the information related to the project. What are all the things that are related to the project? You can inform them. Okay. You can write down them in the readme.md file. Okay. Just create the repository and the repository will be created with the readme.md file. And if you have to add the documentation or information related to the project, this particular project into this readme.md file, just click on the readme.md file and click on this edit this file option. And here you can start, okay, you can provide the project name and here you start writing the description, then provide some other details, okay, like this. And then again, provide the details like this. You can keep on documenting. It's a kind of documenting the information related to the project. What are all the information that you want to document here in the readme.md file, you can do. So I'll show you one real-time readme.md file. Instead of showing you how to create from scratch and all, I'll take you to one of the real-time readme.md file. So what I will do is I'll just type GitHub space Selenium. You know about Selenium, right? Selenium is also being developed, okay, by Selenium developers, and the code related to Selenium is open at the github.com. Okay, so Selenium link at this GitHub page, okay? Selenium repository at the GitHub. So you can see the code, okay? These people who are the contributors are putting all the things in this Selenium repository here, okay? So let's find out in this particular repository of Selenium, do we have that readme.md file or not? So if you scroll down here, just find it out. Where is that? Yeah, here you can see readme.md file. Let's see how the documentation is being done. Okay. So preview wise, it looks like this. Okay. After the saving is done, after you write the description in this readme.md file and save, right? Other people can preview and see how the things are. You see, these are all the documentation they have given here. Okay. So Selenium's some logo they have added, some description about Selenium they have added, documentation, different links. You see, pull requests. Okay. So for Selenium is available in C#, JavaScript, for everything documentation they are, how concisely they have documented this information related to the Selenium project here in this one of the repository of the GitHub, that is Selenium repository of GitHub pull requests, okay, requirements, building, lot of things they have added here. You see, lot of documentation about the project, whatever that is required, okay, as part of this repo perspective. The Selenium guys who are contributing to the Selenium project have added in this. If you want to contribute to this, you just click on this this pencil icon to edit, and you see this how they have written the documentation. Okay, so once you update, modify the documentation, and you have to commit the changes, the Selenium guys have to approve it so that it will be reflected for other people. Okay, so since many people are there out in the world, right? So appropriate changes, they will approve. Otherwise, they will not approve. Okay. So the people who are working on the project generally write the information related to the Selenium project here. Okay. You see how they have written #Selenium. In preview, it looks like this. #Selenium means heading. Okay. Then next one is ## documentation. Somewhere here ## documentation will be there. When compared to Selenium documentation, just see the size is bit less. Okay. The heading size is bit less because double hash we are providing. And other things are there. Bullets, how to document the bullets and all. You see, hashtag symbol they have provided, okay, for bullets. Like this and so on, guys, okay? So they have to document here and commit the changes. Once committed to the repository, it will be like this, okay? If you preview, you can see how they will look. Actually, the readme.md file will be visible to other people, okay? So hope, guys, you understood what exactly is readme.md file in GitHub repositories and what does it actually contain. Okay, it contains the information about the project. Okay, so that's all for this session. Thank you. Bye bye.